The great discover of modern times. In our opinion, the greatest discovery by modern man is the method to rejuvenate himself physical, mental, and spiritual by fasting. Man can create a quality of agelessness, agelessness, and with fasting can prevent premature aging and premature death. The the dread of growing old and becoming a burden to himself and others is one of man's greatest fears. The fear of becoming sick, senile, helpless, unable to care for one's health is rooted deep in very thinking person's mind. With a complete knowledge of fasting and the healthy lifestyle as outlined in this book, you can banish all your fears of premature aging with a 24-hour complete water fast weekly, setting aside 52 days and for 7 to 10 days fast a year for every purification. You can keep the toxin, remove and flush the rust and crystal from your movable joints and muscles. You must bear in mind that it is the toxic debris and waste of metabolism from the biological process of converting food into living matter and the matter into energy that brings on many physical ailments and premature aging. When the vital force of your body drops below normal, then all your physical problems as well as your mental ones begin. Read the Bragg Belt Powerful Nerve Force book. See back page for booklets. It details how to reduce stress, fear, anger, and worry. These negative factors can destroy your precious vital force and life. So, dili ka panghuna-huna kanunay no sa mga negative no factors no kay maka-destroy na sa precious vital force and life. So, maka-destroy na siya sa mga ano kanang pagkabalaka no nang kanang kasuko ano pero magbasa ka mo reduce ang imong stress no mo reduce ang imong hadlok mo reduce ang imong no so malibita magbasa tag Biblia, basa tag Bible, wala lain na tong basahon ng Biblia no, basa ta og mga sa Biblia kay kanang Bible maka kuan makaani ta diha og wala lain na tong basahon no nga para makaayo sa ato nga healthy, sa ato ang panghunahuna, sa ato nga spiritual life, spiritual healing o physical healing mo pwede atong ginabuhat karon pagpasting no. So daghan kayong pamaagi sa ato nga pagpasting na naa sa Biblia ato nga masunod atong karakter, atong mind, atong kuan dapat mo reduce na siya, dili na siya inana nga propermi na lang ka nasuko no. So dili gid mahimong healthy mo ang life ana. So mo ni gipastingan mga atong mga karakter, atong mga kinaiyahan, atong physical, atong inner healing no? Inner healing, physical healing, emotional healing, spiritual healing, ano na siya no. So nindot yung kayo nga maka-fasting yung puta kaya mo release ang mga toxic diha nga kuan. So ana lang